Solana Memecoin Shiba eats Pepe to skyrocket 16,000% ahead of exchange listing, while Bonk, WIF and Doge fall. Shiba eats Pepe could turn early investors into multimillionaires, like other memecoins, such as Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin Doge, did. Shiba eats Pepe, ShibPeep, a Solana Memecoin launched today, is set to explode over 16,000% in price in the coming days. This is because ShibPeep is set to soon be listed on numerous crypto exchanges, according to reports. This will give the Solana Memecoin exposure to millions of additional investors, who will pour funds into the coin and cause its price to rally, which will benefit investors who buy before these new exchange listings. Currently, Shiba eats Pepe can only be purchased via Solana decentralized exchanges, like JUP.ag and Radium.io, and early investors stand to make huge returns in the coming days. Early investors in SHIB and Doge made astronomical returns, and Shiba eats Pepe could become the next viral memecoin. Shiba eats Pepe launched with over $8,000 of liquidity, giving it a unique advantage over the majority of other new memecoins, and early investors could make huge gains. To buy Shiba eats Pepe on Radium.io or JUP.ag ahead of the CX listings, users need to connect their Solflare, MetaMask or Phantom wallet, and swap Solana for Shiba eats Pepe by entering its contract address. If you don't have one of these wallets already, you can create a new wallet in a few minutes and transfer some Solana to it, which will then be used to buy the memecoin from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, and many others. Early investors could make returns similar to those who invested in Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, Doge, before these memecoins went viral and exploded in price. If this happens, a new wave of memecoin millionaires could be created in a matter of weeks, or potentially even sooner. The Solana Memecoin craze continues amid larger memecoins, like Shiba Inu, SHIB, Dogecoin, Doge, and DogWifHat, WF, trading sideways in recent weeks and losing momentum. This is why many SHIB, Doge, and WF investors are instead investing in new Solana memecoins, like ShibPeep. Such memecoins have no utility and no inherent value, but investors looking for high gains have been investing in them due to their potential to rapidly rise in price.